Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bluetooth in your Nissan Pathfinder. To begin, ensure Bluetooth is active on your mobile phone. Next, access your Pathfinder's audio system. Look for the Settings or Phone button, then select Bluetooth. Choose the option to add new device or pair device. Your phone should then display a pairing code, which you will confirm on the Pathfinder's screen. This establishes the initial connection. Once your phone is paired, making calls is simple and safe. Press the dedicated Phone button on your steering wheel to activate the calling function. You can then use voice commands, saying a contact's name or a number, to initiate a call. If you prefer, browse your phone book directly on the Pathfinder's display. To end any conversation, press the End Call button on the steering wheel or console. Enjoy your favorite audio content wirelessly. After pairing, select Bluetooth audio from your Pathfinder's audio source menu. This allows you to stream music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly from your mobile device's applications. You can then control playback, such as skipping tracks or adjusting volume, using the Pathfinder's steering wheel controls or the main audio unit. It's a convenient way to enjoy your media on the go. If you encounter any Bluetooth connectivity issues, don't worry, there are simple solutions. First, double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on both your mobile device and the Pathfinder. Sometimes, deleting old paired devices from the car's memory, which can store up to 5 devices, helps. A quick restart of your phone and the Pathfinder's audio system can also resolve common glitches. For persistent problems, refer to your vehicle's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.